Okay, here's how you start Turnitin. Click on this blue button. It may be green, it may be red. The color depends on the level that Turnitin is flagged for possible plagiarism. And then this is how you're going to edit and make comments. So I mouse over this and that'll bring up a screen that allows me to erase it if I want to. This is a screen that allows me to just make a comment, so just a small window there. And then if I want it to not be so jumbled, I can move that comment and then it's still attached to the area where they need to use passive voice, as you can see. Here, the holes, which was written by Louis Secor, obviously this is a clause within a clause, and so it needs to be separated by a comma. So as you can see from this window that I've used, this is the quick feedback, or the commonly used feedback. And in this case, I'm using punctuation, comma, and then I can add a comment if I want. I'm going to go to the end of this clause and I'm going to add the same quick feedback, and then I'm going to add a comment right here. Sakar, comma, and anyway, just something basic. And again, I move it out of the way to try to make it a little bit less messy. So the book Holes, which was written by Louis Secor, is the most interesting book that I've ever read about a teenager's life. Of course, they forgot the particle, or the article. So I added that for them, and then again with a quick comment right there. So that's kind of the gist of how you would use Turnitin to provide feedback. I can use just comments if I want, like in this case, he means attribute rather than attitude. Here, he says Stanley's one good attribute is to treat fair each other. So I can make a comment, treat others fairly, ... And then I make a comment, use the adverb here. Then I'll differentiate that with an asterisk. So that's the basic gist of how to use Turnitin for good feedback. I think the advantage here is, again, there's built-in comments where it'll allow you to erase words that they should erase. But then also, again, there's that quick mark, which is these preset feedback that people have put in to Turnitin to enable people to make quick references to feedback that we give commonly, passive voice, when they drop articles like done and a and an, and so on and so forth. So that's a quick and dirty about how to use it. Let me know if you have any more questions. Thanks.